Alright guys, today I'll be reviewing my LED headlights. They're made by Fodden. They're roughly about 300% brighter than the halogen stock bulbs. I'm doing this on my 2016 Mazda 3. You can see here that they're made for H8, H9, and H11 bulbs. This is the top part of the case that it comes in, and this is the package. So it'll come with zip ties and a little wrench, Allen wrench here, to adjust the beam of the headlight, because you don't want to be blinding other people on the road. So it's cool that they include this so you can adjust your headlights. And then on here, it comes with a little booklet. It gives you all the information to contact them, and then it comes with a 2-year warranty. So if they go bad within 2 years, whatever, give them a call and they'll try to fix it. And then here's the packaging. These are not the bulbs. These are my halogen bulbs. I already took them out. I'll be showing an installation video on the next one. But here is the bulb. I took the passenger side out. They both look exactly the same. So the passenger and the driver's side, they look exactly the same. This is the bulb here. They got a little cooling fan right here. It spins, you can see, so the bulb doesn't overheat. And then there is one LED chip. Yeah, you can probably see it. I don't know if you can see it. The yellow part right there. And then again on the back it has that too. And then the heat sink, which is right here with the fan. And then here's the driver. It comes with it already. You don't have to put it in yourself. It already comes with the driver, and the driver is used so you don't have any error codes on your dash, so it doesn't say the bulb's out or anything like that. And then inside here, inside the plastic package that I showed earlier, it comes with these. It comes with two-sided mounts taped, and you can see it's dirty here because I had it mounted on the surface of in the interior of my car in the engine bay. So I'll be doing an installation on how to install these in the next video. And these are polar sensitive, so make sure to plug them in correctly, or else they won't turn on. And if they don't turn on, just flip the light switch around. So if you have the negative and the positive, just flip it around, and they should work the next time you plug them in.